Your audio really counts. So be sure to take these few simple steps so that your audio is good quality. If you're recording from your phone, I do recommend using some kind of external microphone. And these are really easy to use. You can use a shotgun microphone where you just plug it into your phone and it sits by the camera. Or you can use something like this, which is what I'm using today, a lapel microphone. You just plug this directly into the camera and you're good to go. For some phones, you may also need an adapter, so just be sure to choose the right microphone for your phone. If you're using another type of camera, such as a vlogging camera, as in the one I'm using today, I also recommend using some kind of external microphone. I prefer to use the lapel microphones, so that's what I'm using in this type of video. However, you can also have a shotgun microphone that you plug into your camera, and also a wireless microphone. Wireless microphones like this are also really great to use. I use these Rode wireless microphones that I attach to my camera. You can also use these with your phone, and they're really great to use for a number of reasons. I use these particular ones for when I do events. Let's say I'm giving a talk or speaking at an event, then the camera is quite far from me, so I certainly couldn't have any kind of wires going across, so I use these wireless microphones. And it's also just a really great idea to record anytime you speak, so that you can use it for your social media or on your website, or maybe to put together a sales video or even a show reel later on. So always record when you speak, and these microphones are great for that. So I have this standing desk with my laptop on top, and I'm using a Yeti microphone here. So I have this set up, in case you're wondering what this is. Then this is a shield just to help with the echo. So if you've got a lot of echo, then you can just get one of these shields that you put around the microphone. You can get those on Amazon. Then you can just put the microphone within it, or you can just screw it to it, and then you've got something for the echo. So I use that microphone, then I just plug in it to my computer. You can, of course, use the camera that's connected to your webcam, but personally, I just prefer to use this Yeti microphone and plug that in, this external microphone. It's much better quality than your webcam microphone.